Do this if editing is slowing you down. I really like organising my files on my computer to make sure that everything is together and in separate different folders. When it comes to editing, that makes it so much easier to be able to find either footage or thumbnails or end cards, and everything that I design, I basically put into these folders. Now, some of them look a bit messy and a bit all over the place to other people, but to me, and some do need a bit of organising, 100%, but I've been working on them this week and trying to get them into a nice kind of organised chaos, really, but where I know where they are. So anytime I need anything, I just go straight onto my folders, find those individual little bits that I need, and then I can whack them straight into CapCut and wham bam, thanks very much.